Have you ever considered the potential of making money through cryptocurrency? Welcome to our guide, 10 Ways to Make Money on Coinbase. In this comprehensive overview, we'll explore various strategies and opportunities available on Coinbase, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, these methods offer diverse avenues for financial growth and stability in the ever-evolving world of digital assets. So, let's dive into the exciting realm of crypto finance and discover how you can leverage Coinbase to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on cryptocurrency and finance. Number 10. Coinbase NFTs. Let's kick things off with a trend that's been making waves in the digital world. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. Coinbase NFT provides a platform for buying, selling, and creating NFTs, offering investors an opportunity to profit from the burgeoning NFT market. While Coinbase NFT may not be as active as other marketplaces like OpenSea or Blur, it still presents potential for lucrative returns. Just like traditional art, rare and sought-after NFTs can appreciate significantly in value over time, offering exclusive benefits to their holders. So, if you have an eye for digital art or a knack for spotting trends, exploring the world of NFTs on Coinbase could be a profitable venture for you. Number 9. Earn cash back with the Coinbase card. Imagine earning cryptocurrency while you shop. With the Coinbase card, it's possible. This innovative debit card allows users to earn cashback rewards in various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, on every purchase. With rewards ranging from 1% to 2%, the Coinbase card offers a simple yet effective way to accumulate digital assets as you go about your daily spending. Plus, you have the flexibility to choose how you receive your rewards, whether in crypto or traditional fiat currency. So, if you're looking to passively grow your crypto portfolio while making everyday purchases, the Coinbase card is worth considering. Number 8. Coinbase Affiliate Program. Are you a content creator with a sizable audience? If so, the Coinbase Affiliate Program could be a lucrative opportunity for you to monetize your platform. By promoting Coinbase through your affiliate link, you can earn 50% of the trading fees generated by users who sign up using your referral. This affiliate program is ideal for bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, and anyone else with a significant online presence. With the potential to earn passive income while sharing valuable insights about cryptocurrency, the Coinbase Affiliate Program offers a win-win scenario for both you and your audience. Number 7. Staking. Staking has emerged as a popular way to earn passive income in the crypto space, and Coinbase offers staking services through Coinbase Earn. By staking certain cryptocurrencies, users can participate in network validation and earn rewards in return. However, it's essential to note that regulatory concerns have led to restrictions on staking services in some U.S. states. Despite these challenges, Coinbase remains committed to providing staking opportunities to its customers, highlighting the potential for future growth in this area of crypto finance. Number 6. USDC Rewards. For those seeking a more stable option, Coinbase offers interest rewards for holding USDC, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. With interest rates of up to 4.6%, USDC rewards provide a secure way to earn passive income on your digital assets. Compared to traditional savings accounts, which offer significantly lower interest rates, USDC rewards offer a competitive alternative for investors looking to maximize their returns. Whether you're saving for the short or long term, USDC rewards offer a reliable option for earning crypto rewards without the volatility associated with other cryptocurrencies. Number 5. Use Coinbase One. If you're a frequent trader looking to elevate your cryptocurrency trading experience, delving into the benefits of Coinbase One is definitely worthwhile. This subscription service unlocks a plethora of advanced features and exclusive perks designed to enhance your trading journey. For a monthly fee of $30, you gain access to a suite of premium offerings, including zero trading fees, dedicated phone support, and account insurance. For active traders who execute numerous transactions, the cost of the subscription can swiftly be offset by the savings realized from eliminated trading fees alone. Moreover, with the added security and peace of mind provided by account insurance, Coinbase One offers a comprehensive solution tailored to meet the needs of discerning traders seeking to optimize their crypto trading strategies. Number 4. Short-term trades. Short-term trades, unlike long-term investments, are characterized by their shorter duration and aim to profit from market fluctuations. While some Coinbase users opt for this strategy, it's important to exercise caution due to its higher risk nature. Coinbase Advanced provides a platform tailored to meet the needs of professional traders, offering lower trading fees and advanced analytics tools. Whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the game, conducting thorough research and developing a robust trading strategy is essential for success in the fast-paced world of short-term trading. By staying informed, setting clear goals, and managing risk effectively, you can navigate the volatility of short-term trades and potentially maximize your profits on Coinbase. However, it's crucial to remain disciplined and avoid trading more than you can afford to lose. Number 3. Learn and earn rewards. For those eager to expand their knowledge of cryptocurrency, Coinbase offers Learn and Earn rewards. By completing educational modules and quizzes, users can earn rewards in various cryptocurrencies. While the rewards may be modest, Learn and Earn provides an opportunity to learn about new projects while earning free coins. Additionally, Coinbase's partnership with small cryptocurrency projects benefits both users and emerging projects by increasing exposure and fostering community engagement. So, if you're keen to learn more about crypto and earn rewards along the way, Coinbase's Learn and Earn program is worth exploring. Number 2. Coinbase Sign-up Rewards. New to Coinbase? You're in luck. Coinbase offers generous sign-up rewards to new users, with incentives ranging from $3 to $200 in cryptocurrency. Simply create an account, purchase cryptocurrency, and spin the wheel to claim your reward. While the amount may vary, sign-up rewards provide an excellent opportunity for users to kickstart their crypto journey and explore the platform's features. With a high percentage of users receiving rewards, signing up for Coinbase can be a rewarding experience in more ways than one. Number 1. Invest in cryptocurrency for the long run. Last but certainly not least, one of the most tried and tested methods to make money on Coinbase is by investing in cryptocurrency for the long run. This strategy involves purchasing digital assets with the intention of holding on to them for an extended period, often years, in anticipation of their value increasing over time. By identifying and investing in promising projects early on, investors have the potential to earn significant returns as the cryptocurrency market matures and adoption grows. While the crypto market is notorious for its volatility, historical data demonstrates that early backers of projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum have reaped substantial profits as these digital currencies have surged in value over time. However, it's crucial to approach investing with caution and conduct thorough research before committing any funds. With careful planning, a diversified portfolio, and a long-term perspective, you'll be well positioned to capitalize on the growth potential of the crypto market and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency for the long run can be a rewarding endeavor, offering the potential for significant financial gains as the market continues to evolve and expand. While it's essential to remain mindful of the inherent risks and volatility associated with the crypto space, adopting a strategic and disciplined approach to investing can help mitigate potential downsides and maximize returns over time. By staying informed, diversifying your portfolio, and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can position yourself for success in the dynamic world of digital assets. Remember to always conduct thorough research, seek professional advice when needed, and stay vigilant in monitoring market trends. With patience, perseverance, and prudent decision-making, you can navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency investing and achieve your financial goals on Coinbase and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and updates on cryptocurrency investing.